besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to a vlog because this week has been one of the craziest weeks I've had in a long time. Today's Thursday, May 19th, and I'm basically just gonna do a few days in my life. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and very exciting, I'm going to build a new bookshelf that I bought Tuesday. I also want to thank today's sponsor, which is Notion. So thank you so much, Notion, for sponsoring today's video. I cannot even explain to you guys how much Notion saves my life, but we're gonna talk about it in just a sec. But first, again, today's Thursday, and I have quite a few like school assignments to do because this week has been all over the place. I also have a new podcast episode out now if you want to see that. Also, I've been trying to post more TikToks. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I am slowly getting back in the game. I'm slowly getting there. So it is 8:37 and I just got ready and I need to start doing my TikToks. So that is basically my routine. But before we get started on that, let's talk about today's sponsor, which is Notion. And you guys, I'm so excited. Let's go, roll the clip. Okay, besties, let's talk about Notion. I am so excited to be partnering with them in this video. Little background story, I have been using Notion for the past 2.5 years, and it has completely changed my life. So Notion is an excellent tool for team collaborations or just to use on your own. If you work with others or work alone, you can save time, increase productivity, and make it so easy for everyone to find the info that they need. Notion is also very customizable, so you can tailor tools to fit your team or your own needs. I'm gonna give you a little rundown of how I use Notion and how I've been using Notion for the past 2 years. So before I started using Notion, I used to use like my notes app, and I kind of like felt all over the place and really disorganized. So when I started using Notion, I had the perfect space to organize everything, literally everything in my life. So I use Notion to organize my schoolwork, my social media content, goals, all of that stuff, and this is how I use it. So another thing that I really like about Notion is that they give you, there are a bunch of free templates that you can use, and also a lot of people create their own templates. You can also create your own template and customize it as your own and to fit your needs. But what I actually did with my customization with my Notion here is I looked for other templates of other people. So other people can create templates and give you a link to use those templates. You can find so many on YouTube, or you can use all of these templates that Notion gives you, which is so great. So I have different pages for everything that I need. So I have for school, for YouTube, for my podcast, for TikTok, for Instagram, for everything, and like personal wise as well. The page that I mostly use is my YouTube page, because if I scroll down here, I have basically all of my videos that I plan on a weekly basis. So I plan out all my videos and put them all here. This is how I organize my content. I do the same thing with TikTok, with Instagram. You can upload an image for your little icon here, and you can also change the cover of every single page that you have, and you can also put and upload an image or just use the images that Notion gives you here, which are really cute. These are all the ways in which I use Notion, and honestly, you guys, if you have been having trouble getting organized, I would 100% recommend you to start using Notion. It will change how you manage your time. So if you want to sign up for Notion, you can press the link in my description and it will take you to the sign up page. If you do end up getting Notion, please let me know. Let me know your experience. I would love to see how your templates all look and all of that stuff. Let's get back to the vlog. Okay, so let's see what we have today for the TikToks, because this is how I've been doing it. I've decided like every Sunday I'm gonna try to have all my topics, all my ideas of the videos I want to film, TikTok videos I want to film throughout the week. And a lot of people ask me how I edit my TikToks, because I kind of have this transition that I literally started when I first started posting TikTok videos, which was almost 1 year ago, which is crazy. But basically, I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I do it. Okay, so this is literally my setup. This is my desk, and I literally just put this speaker as a tripod for the phone. I am kind of reorganizing everything, and everything's a mess. So this is what we're working with.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you.
So I just finished filming the first 2 TikToks. So I'm going to edit one so I can upload one right now. And then I'm going to film the other one, well, the last one, which is the Colleen Hoover book guide. But I think I'm gonna do like a long video, a TikTok video, but like a long video. So I'm gonna show you what my office space / home library room currently looks like, because I kind of like rearranged the furniture and the bookshelves and everything, and it's kind of a mess. So we're gonna get to that in this video. But this is the door, and you walk in, and we have this first bookshelf that is not that messy, but it could be a little bit more organized. Then I have my makeup drawer, my tripod literally there, my desk, which is kind of messy, so many things on the floor. And this is the current state of the situation. That is the bookshelf that I'm going to build. You guys, they gave me the wrong color, and now I have to return it and get the correct color, because the color was white and it is brown. So today's Saturday. I think the last time I filmed it was Thursday. Was it Thursday? I don't remember if it was Thursday or Friday. I think it was Thursday. Whatever. Hi, it is Saturday for me. Today is Saturday, May 21st. And a little update on the situation, because you guys, this whole thing, I had this all in my head, like the idea of the video, and like just it did not turn out the way I wanted to, but here we are. Little update. The last time I talked to you guys, I had an issue with my bookshelf because they gave me the wrong color, so I had to go back to the store and get the color that I wanted. But here's the story time on that. So today's Saturday. I went to the store. I wanted to like return the brown bookshelf for the white one. Turns out they didn't have the white bookshelf. So the only one that they had in the store, or like in any store, was the one that was like on display in the store. That is what I did. Like, they gave me a little discount because it's like it's the bookshelf that's been there on display for a while, but I have it, and I'm gonna show you the bookshelf. And honestly, I'm in love with it. I love it so much. And basically, I wanted to like vlog myself building the bookshelf and everything, but honestly, thank God I don't have to build the bookshelf, because I am so bad at building like any type of furniture. I get so annoyed, and like I end up literally crying. So I am so happy that I have it. I'm just going to start decorating and putting all the books, and I'm just so excited. I love it because it's a little bit different from my other ones, because it has little doors. I'm gonna show you, wait. So there is like wrapping paper, or like this plastic paper on it, so I need to take it out. Okay guys, so this is the bookshelf. It looks like a normal bookshelf, but it has doors and kind of like a little storage space, which I'm going to put like all my notebooks and all that stuff, because like I have my notebooks there, but I don't want to have them like on display. I want to have books there, so I'm just gonna put them here, and I love it. I love how it looks, honestly. And this is basically what's going on. And my other bookshelf that I'm loving, this is the new Instagram setup, like photo setup, and I love it. I just reviewed Galen, so if you wanna go see my Instagram and see the review and my thoughts on that, you can go ahead and look at that. Let's put music. I'm gonna put the new, oh my gosh, you guys, we need to talk about this. I'm gonna put the new Harry Styles album, because you guys know, or probably don't know, I've never been a Harry Styles fan, but this year I kind of developed this love for Harry Styles, and I am loving it. This is my Harry Styles phase, and I love it. Like, I never had that 6th grade Harry Styles / One Direction phase, so I'm having it right now. I'm obsessed. Let's start.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of, and I can't stop it. I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over sent, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush.
It's a new day. Okay, I've literally been filming this video for forever. But today is the last day because I've been so incredibly busy. Today's Tuesday, May 24th. And if you're still here, you guys, I have an exciting announcement. If you don't follow me over on any of my other social platforms, you probably don't know that I launched my own reading journal. So it's a digital product. It's a digital reading journal that you can download on your phone, on your laptop, or on any tablet. So basically it's a PDF file, and you can download it anywhere and with any app that accepts PDF files. But I'm just so happy, so incredibly grateful for all you guys that have purchased my reading journal. This is so cool. But yeah, today we're going to finish the bookshelves, organizing, decorating, and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that, and when I finish, I'm gonna give you guys like a little, really small overview of the room, because I'm obviously going to do an updated bookshelf tour and like home library tour. So this is the situation. So at the top we have it all organized and beautiful, but the actual bookshelf, we have to organize it.
All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronted, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than...
This is what you see when you walk through the door. So let's go to the first section here. Okay, don't mind that, because I do my makeup there every morning, and that's why it's so messy. Okay, this is what you see. This is the first bookshelf. Turn around. I have my desk. Then I have the 2 bookshelves over there, and the one in the middle is my book cart. And then I have my chair here, and then my other bookshelf and a mirror. So you guys, I finally finished. It's all organized. I'm happy. I bought a mirror, a like full-length mirror, but it's gonna be so cool. It's from a small business, and it's a girl that does like designs on like the frames. It's gonna be so cool. So that's gonna go there. So I need to wait for it, but I think I'm gonna wait for it to do the like updated bookshelf tour slash the other video, you know, because I want to show you guys how it's gonna look. So yeah, but that is the vlog for today. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to go ahead and click the button down below to get Notion. Literally, I've been using Notion for the past 2 years, but these past like 2 weeks I have really been using Notion, and it is so cool. So definitely check them out. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe down below if you want more videos, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm not sure when, but in my next video. Bye!
Oh, corks and bottles, ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.